Hey everybody, we got a big announcement to make, and I'm headed to the gym right now, so I'm gonna make this as quick as I can here. What it is that I am now going to start uploading content on my original YouTube channel when I started years ago. And this one right here for Tactical POV, I'm going to leave this one here up. It's still going to be going. I'm still going to download content to it, or should I say upload content to it. And that's only going to pertain to just tactical anything, concealed carry, you know, my instructor drills and different things that I'll do with that, product reviews, you know, that's just strictly, like I said, for concealed carry, EDC, anything tactical. My original channel, go over and make sure you subscribe to my other one that I started years ago. It's Michael D. Bishop Sr. And jump over and subscribe to that channel too. If you haven't, subscribe to this one, subscribe to this one also, so you can get two different channels is two different things of what I do. The other channel is basically going to be for more personal stuff of what I do, a little bit, you know, as far as other hobbies that I do, time with my family, you know, my kids and stuff like that, and more fitness oriented things, and you know, things of that sort. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel here, Tactical POV, and then go to my other one too and check out some new stuff that I got up there also. Like I said, I'm going to start doing that. Actually, I've got a new one that's already uploaded now that I just put up recent. So go over and check that out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You know, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to check out my website also. I got a store that's coming soon, so I've got some shirts I'm working on for Tactical POV. Trying to get that set up here, so it's going up here pretty soon. But this is Mike Bishop for Tactical POV saying don't forget to subscribe to my other channel. I'll see you over there.